NOS, or nitrous oxide system, is a performance enhancement system that injects nitrous oxide into the engine's combustion chamber to increase power output. Installing a NOS system typically involves several steps, and it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully for safety and optimal performance. Here's a general outline of how an NOS system might be installed. Choose a NOS kit. There are various types of NOS kits available, ranging from basic systems to advanced setups. Choose a kit that suits your vehicle and performance goals. Prepare the vehicle. Before installation, ensure that the vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. Disconnect the negative terminal of the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. Locate mounting space. Find suitable mounting locations for the nitrous bottle, solenoids, lines, and other components. The nitrous bottle is usually mounted in the trunk or rear of the vehicle. Install nitrous lines. Route the nitrous feed line from the bottle to the solenoids and then to the intake manifold. Ensure that the lines are securely attached and free from any kinks or sharp bends. Mount solenoids. Install the solenoids in a location where they are easily accessible but protected from damage. These solenoids control the flow of nitrous and fuel into the engine. Wiring. Connect the wiring harness provided with the kit to the solenoids, arming switch, and activation switch. Properly insulate and secure all electrical connections to prevent shorts or electrical fires. Fuel system modification. In addition to the nitrous system, you may need to upgrade the fuel system to handle the increased demand for fuel. This might include installing a larger fuel pump, upgrading injectors, or adjusting fuel pressure. Safety measures. Install safety features such as a pressure relief valve and blow-off valve to prevent overpressurization of the system. Also, ensure that all connections are leak-proof to prevent any nitrous leaks. Test and tune. Once the installation is complete, it's essential to test the system under controlled conditions and tune it for optimal performance. This may involve adjusting the nitrous and fuel flow rates and monitoring engine parameters with a wideband oxygen sensor and other diagnostic tools. Safety precautions. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines when using a NOS system. Improper use can lead to engine damage or even accidents. It's worth noting that installing a NOS system can be complex and may require mechanical expertise. If you're not confident in your abilities, it's best to seek professional installation from a qualified mechanic or performance shop. Additionally, be aware of local regulations regarding the use of nitrous oxide in vehicles, as it may not be legal for street use in some areas. Like, comment, and subscribe if you think this video was useful.